Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can play music in the background on YouTube on your iPhone. So as you may know, if you are doing this on this YouTube application, there is no option to play it in the background if you don't have YouTube Premium. But all you have to do is go ahead to Safari. Now you can go ahead and turn on the music, and if you exit it, as you can see, it's not playing anymore. So all you have to do is click on those letters in the left corner right there and click a request desktop website. Once you are here, you can now go ahead, play the music. And when you exit it, it may stop, but all you have to do is swipe down in the right corner on your iPhone and click play. And that's it, the music is playing. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.